Telegram download speed slow. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve if your download speed is quite slow on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if your download speed is actually quite slow on Telegram, what you can try to do is tap the three lines option, then go to settings. From here, go to data and storage and try to reset the auto download settings over here by tapping the reset option over here. Once you've done that, always make sure that you're actually using Wi-Fi instead of using a mobile data, because mobile data doesn't let you actually utilize the maximum download speed. Now, if none of these solutions work for you, the only workaround I have for you is to simply get an urge to buy Telegram Premium. Now, of course, this video is not sponsored by Telegram or anything as such, but if I go to Telegram Premium here, you can see one of the features that they offer is actually a faster download speed. So under the Telegram Premium features, you can see no more limits on the speed with which media and documents are downloaded. So you should be able to go ahead and then actually be able to view all of the benefits by tapping and subscribing for $3 per month. This way you should be able to actually fix the slow speed on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.